Today we'll discuss the word problems which are based on division of decimals, which we have already discussed in the previous video. Here the cost of 24 chairs is given. The cost of 24 chairs is rupees 9,255.60, and we have to find out the cost of one chair. As we know that, because we have already studied the unitary method, if we have to find out the cost of one unit, then we have to do the division, and we have to find out the cost of more units, then we have to do the multiplication. So here we will do the division. 55.60 divided by 24. How many times it is divisible? 3 times 72. Now the remainder is 20. Now we'll carry 5 from here. 8 times it is divisible. 192. The remainder is 13. Now we will carry 5. How many times? 5 times it is divisible. Now before carrying this 6, we will carry this decimal in the quotient. After that we will carry this 6. Now 6 times it is divisible, 144, and the remainder is 12. Now we will carry this 0. Now 5 times it is divisible. So the cost of one chair is rupees 385.65. Now the next question is, a tin holds 16.5 liter of oil. How many tins will be required to hold 478.5 liter oil? So the total quantity of oil is 478.5 liter, and the quantity of oil a tin can hold is 16.5 liter. So to find out the number of tins required, we will divide the total quantity of oil by the quantity of oil one tin can hold. These two are like decimals, so we can remove the decimal from these two numbers. So now we will divide 4,785 by 165. 2 times it is divisible, 330. The remainder is 148. Now we will carry 5. 5 times it is divisible. So the number of tins required are 25. Now the next question is, Monica cuts 46 meter of cloth into pieces of 1.15 meter each. How many pieces does she get? Now here also the total length of cloth is 46 meter, and the length of each piece is 1.15 meter. So to find the number of pieces, we will divide the total cost of the cloth by the total length of the cloth by the length of each piece, means 46 divided by 1.15. So here these two numbers are not like decimals, so first we'll convert it into like decimal. For that we'll place 2 zeros here after the decimal. So here we will divide 4600 by 115. 4 times it is divisible, 460. Now 0, carry as it is. So 40 pieces are cut off from 46 meter of cloth if each length 1.15 meter. Now the next question is, the product of two decimals is 261.36. If one of them is 17.6, then find the other number. To find the other number, we will divide the product of two numbers by one of the number. Here the product of two numbers is 261.36 and one of the number is 17.6. Convert it into like decimals. Now we can remove the decimal. 226,136 divide by 1,760. So we will divide it. One time it is divisible. The remainder is 853. Now you carry 6. 4 times it is divisible. The remainder is 1496. Now we will put decimal in the quotient. On behalf of this decimal we can take 1 0 here. 8 times it is divisible now. Now on behalf of this decimal again we can take 1 0 in this step also. Now 5 times it is divisible. So here the other number will be 14.85.